Hi everyone, this is Annabelle here at Mom Shin Cocinas America, and today our dish is Filipino style grilled pork barbecue and the sticks. And here are the ingredients. We are going to use banana sauce, black ground pepper, and a lots of garlic, lemon, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, pork, and of course barbecue sticks. So these are only the first step, and I will show you guys what's next. All right, so the most important one of the most important in barbecue is of course get everything ready. So our pork is been cut and it's ready. There's about 4 pounds of pork, and all the right measurement would be below, so please click below. Okay, so anyway, our lemon is ready, already squeezed them. So you can actually use this strainer just to make sure so you're able to keep the seeds, the lemon seeds. So I already strained that. And our garlic, I minced the garlic, so I use a lot of garlic here. So we'll make the sauce first, and this is what I usually do. This is how I do my barbecue. Make the sauce. I don't want to go straight to the meat yet, so make sauce is probably easier. So we just add that black pepper, ground black pepper, garlic, and now our banana sauce, sweet banana sauce. Then we'll add the lemon. Also, by making the sauce first, you can actually try your sauce before you add this to the meat. Then we'll go ahead and add the soy sauce. Soy sauce, and then now our sweet chili sauce. We're not gonna use a lot of this because we already have banana sauce, so they're both sweet. Now the chili sauce will give a little bit of that spicy kind of side flavor. So pretty much we get all the sauce here. Yeah, you can mix this. All right guys, so I already mixed the sauce, and now we can go ahead and pour this to our pork meat. So I'm going to marinate this for overnight. If you don't have enough time, you want to grill this right away, you can marinate this for at least 4 hours, but I have a lot of time, stay home, so I'm marinating this, like I said, overnight. Okay, so I will show you guys tomorrow. We're gonna be outside doing some grilling, and I will show you guys that. Okay, so now this is the marinated pork that we did last night, and I marinated this for overnight, so it is ready. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna show you guys that this sticks, barbecue sticks, make sure that you wash them, because you can also check them that there's no split on the side. So you wash them, and you just you can dry them a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys at least two how to do this in the sticks. So of course this is already been marinated. I already washed my hand. Just put 4 in on each sticks, barbecue stick, so 4 of this. Yeah, I can wait for this. All right, so just be careful not to get your finger poke with this. It's very pointy. So this is 4 of that pork um, cut that I cut. All right, so I'm gonna do another one. Okay, so this actually is kind of big. So if they're cut a little bit bigger, you can just use 3, you know, just depends on how you cut the meat. So that's how you put those meat in the barbecue sticks. Okay, and I'll show you guys next. So now we're done putting all this meat in this barbecue stick. So just want to make sure that please you have to keep the sauce where you marinated the meat, because you are going to need this to brush this sauce, brush on those meat as you cooking them, because all the flavors are here. So these are good, guys. So like I said, this is the sauce from the marinated pork that we did. Do not throw them, so we can use them to brush it on top of the meat, so you're still able to get the sauce as you're cooking it in the grill. Okay, I'll show you guys next. All right, guys, so our grill is ready, so we can go ahead and grill them. And the temperature right now it's in a medium heat. You want to make sure that you cook your pork, your meat really good. Okay, so my grill has a temperature here, so right now it's in 550 Fahrenheit, and we can also lower the temperature down to medium low, because we don't want to burn this. And then of course you have to flip them over like that when each side, so make sure they're cooked. Okay, and I'll show you guys next. Okay, so this is the sauce that I was talking about, so you can brush this on this meat. And you have to cook each side of this meat actually, and the temperature is on medium low. I don't want the grill too hot, because it can burn the meat, but at the same time you want to just check them. Right, and also if you don't want to burn your finger, your hand, so please you can use this flipping it as it's cooking, because the barbecue sticks is getting hot, so you don't want to use your hand. Already flip that. So at least 5 minutes, just flip them every 5 minutes until the meat is cooked. And you have to keep using your sauce, brush them, okay, because it's gonna be delicious when you have this sauce here on top. All right, so it has been 20 minutes now, and I'm just going to show you guys use all the sauce, because you don't want to waste that anyway, and all the flavor are on the sauce, so use it. You want to get all that. And there's also prevent the meat for overcooking. All right, guys, so now it has been 40 minutes, and you can also tell if they're cooked. So you want, like, you know, like that little bit of that dark brown but not burn, so you can tell if they're cooked. So I put on low temperature, which is still about 400 degrees, because the grill is different, and I also have a cover, so all the heat are inside. And yeah, so just make sure they're cooked but they're not burned, and depending on the size of the meat. So this is good right now, so I'll go ahead and turn off the grill. And by the way, they smell really good. Ooh, okay, I can wait for that. All right, so let's turn this a little one more time. Turn it over one more time, and we'll go ahead and put it in the plate. Okay, already cooked. Yay! So it's really smells really good. I can smell the garlic, the sauce, the lemon, soy sauce, and all that. I'll cook this a little bit right here. Yay! So you guys can eat this by itself. If you wanna have sauce, you can. You can grab a sauce, or we usually use vinegar and a little bit of soy sauce with this. Other than that, it's very juicy. You can just eat it by itself like that. All right.